And now, the trainer at your gym who always corrects your form sees you at the water fountain.
My guy! What is this? What are you doing? You're only getting tiny little dribble of water in mouth, okay? If you want to rejuvenate, you need big, thick stream of water in mouth like me.
Okay, just drinking water. I don't think I need a trainer.
Oh, not like that you're not, okay? See? You're only getting tiny bit, all right? I teach you, I show you, okay? I teach you how to get water,
okay?
All right?
Well,
try your steps, okay?
Just turn the handle.
Oh, it's hilarious! It's fine talking with you. Oh, look how you're standing. You're standing like old woman about to be shot, all right? Oh, don't shoot me. I have little daughter. I have granddaughter.
Oh, God.
You know what I'm talking about? We shoot anyway.
Oh, God. Jesus.
It's grandmother's. Now get over. All right? What you need to do, you're 2 inch over. All right? Go. You need to push your butt out.
Oh, butt out?
Push it out.
All right, like
push it out. Push it out. Make like
out.
a salt and pepper push up.
Okay.
Push up. From here, I need you here. Okay, now back flat.
Okay.
Butt out, back flat.
Right.
Hey, butt out, back flat. Is like Friday night, my friend. It's joke. I'm fucking. Okay.
Jesus,
all right. It's funny.
All right. I mean, look.
It's funny. All
It
right.
just tastes like water. It just tastes like water. I don't know what to tell you. Okay?
It's good. I show you soon.
It's water.
Okay. You know what?
You're gonna be much longer. I really need to refill my water.
Right now, this is training session for poor little dehydrated bug boy, okay? Now you go, okay? You go, all right? Put gypsy curse on you, make all your peas orange. You go!
I don't want to engage with
Did you call me a bug boy?
Yes, you're big, round in middle, tiny little arm. Tiny little arm.
All right, well, go back to the fountain, or...
Yes, back to fountain.
All right.
It's training.
Okay, but
Okay? Yes, see, it's your arms. It's arms, all right? You're here, oh, like little arms, like little girl pushing cigarette and sausage gun, okay? you know, it's from my country. It's like, tee by my kielbasa, I must pay for funeral for my grandmother. Okay, every grandmother should.
Okay, what country are you from?
Oh, hey, I can tell you all about it. You take me on date, I tell you that. But now, we train,
All right.
You put arms out, okay? Arms out. Okay, go out, all right? Like you're smashing watermelon for fruit salad. Okay, you're out. You're out. All right, this thick. Okay, this feels like harassment. It's training, boy. You're training. You're a strong man. See, you are too thin up and down. Like bear with no children to eat, okay? You're too thin up and down. Tight man like it wide.
What? Was that a language?
No, it's a command. Get leg wide, all right? You stand there.
All right.
Okay?
How wide do you want it?
I show you, all right? You go here.
You're salmon.
You go here. You go here.
This is a salmon. Okay, this is enough.
No, it's good. Keep leg here, fuck. We keep leg here, I keep you. All right? Okay. All right. We make your form good, okay? We get the arms, okay, back.
All right.
Back, you push up like 90s lift,
Yeah,
all right?
okay, 90s
Arm
lift.
like you're making communist head pop, okay?
Okay, communist head pop.
And then
Okay.
leg wide like you're riding fat horse.
All right,
okay?
riding a fat horse.
Now drink, it's good. It's good, you taste it, it's good.
Oh my God.
Yes.
It tastes better.
Drink, keep drinking. Now take second. Supplementary drink from.
What do you mean second?
From this? From water bottle. You got to take it, my friend. You go. Drink. You're an American president. Drink. Go.
Oh my God. I am so sorry. I did not mean to spit water.
It's okay. Means you are doing it right. Doing it just right, my friend.
Hey! We told you to stop pretending to be a freaking trainer here to get people to spit in your mouth, pervert!
Hey, just remember, buddy, everything is somebody's fetish.
I'm so sorry.
It's all right. I mean, to be honest, I kind of like the new form. That was a pretty thick stream.
Yeah, we're gonna kick you out too if you keep saying shit like that.